Hi everyone, and welcome back to another ANTSIG how-to. Today, we will be showing you how to use this ANTSIG cable stripping tool. This tool is ideal for the use with UTP, Cat6, Cat5, telephone, and in general for any flat or round cables. The front of your tool can be used to strip round cables. Flat telephone cables can be stripped at the back, and to cut the cable completely, you can use the cutting blade tool. To cut a telephone cable flush, place the wire between the cutting blades and press down. To strip a telephone or flat wire cable, you will need to use a stripper at the open end of the stripping tool. You must use the blade located at the outmost end of the tool. Place the wire in between the stripper, clamp down, and pull away. To strip a Cat6 or Cat5 cable, shielded or unshielded twisted pair, use the stripper with the rounded plastic cutout guides. Press down on the clamp, place the insulated wire in the slot, and release. Now adjust the blade length by turning the dial. Rotating clockwise will increase the blade's depth, whilst anti-clockwise removes the blade's depth. The blade will need to be deep enough so it is only cutting into the plastic insulation and not damaging any wires. This will vary according to the wire's thickness. Now positioned, rotate your cable, reopen the tool like so, and remove the cable to pull off the insulation. If any wiring is exposed like this, or the PVC does not pull off properly, you will need to adjust the blade depth. For any questions or assistance, visit our website or refer to the contact numbers at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.